hold you? Let's climb up to where Mommy is and then we'll hold you, okay?
Are you climbing that snowy hill, Aya?
Daddy, help
I
me.
think the boots are a little too big.
Hey, missus. What did you just do?
It's a sled.
You went sledding with Daddy?
Yeah,
Was it fun?
yeah.
Did you go fast or slow?
Fast and slow.
Fast and slow both?
Yeah.
Was
Look,
it
you see our track? See where we came down?
was it scary or exciting?
Scary.
Scary. You want to go with Mommy now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, let's do it.